Lowriders were on display at San Diego City College today for a lecture to destigmatize the cars and the culture of this American pastime. During the event, people were able to learn about the history of lowriders in the community. The featured speaker today was the president of the Impala's Lowrider Club here in San Diego.
Well, today's main event was just talking with the youth, talking with them, and they had a lot of questions about the lowrider community, about what we do, how we get involved with the community, how can they come around. And one thing that we push, please don't be afraid of us. You know, just because we have these cars or we dress how we dress, come and say hi to us. Say hi, ask us questions. And you might have a question that you've been wanting to ask for years, and we may be able to answer it.
Right now, the United Lowrider Coalition is fighting for the removal of the no cruising signs on Highland Avenue in National City. Mr. Rabbit there says the coalition is working with some council members to repeal that law with a bill headed all the way to Capitol Hill.